Hello everyone, welcome to this video recording where I'm going to show you how to set up a shipment of one of your products to a Fulfilled by Amazon Center, an FBA center. First of all, if you go to Inventory, Manage Inventory, and this will show all of your products here. This isn't a product I sell, but this is just for an example purpose. You can see your product here. Say you want to ship this to the Fulfilled by Amazon Center. You want to check first of all it's set up to be Fulfilled by Amazon, which you can check by clicking on these arrows, and it will say here if it's currently not set to be fulfilled by Amazon, it will say change to fulfilled by Amazon. If it is set to be fulfilled by Amazon, it will say change to fulfilled by merchant, which it does currently, which means it is set to be fulfilled by Amazon. So then you just click on send or replenish inventory to start your shipping plan. Now here you want to select create new shipping plan if it's not already selected. Ships from, this is the address currently set to. If you want to type in a new address, just ship from another address, type in that address and that will come up here. Marketplace destination, set this to the United Kingdom or wherever you want it to be in Europe. And then you set whether the products are going to be individually packed, so all sent individually, which is usually for larger products, or case packed items, which will usually be, say you had 200 or 300 items all packed in one case, such as small items that are all sent in one box, for example. So let's say for case packed items, because individual products will be more or less the same, except you won't have to say how many cases or how many items are in each case, and then continue to shipping plan. So this next page is set the quantity. So here you have number of cases and units per case. So say you're sending 300 units altogether, 2 cases, 150 units in each case. Just type in 2 cases, 150 units per case, and there you go. That's your 300 units that you sent into the fulfillment center. And that's it. Say if it was 3 cases, 150 each, that's 450 units. You get the idea. And then continue. Preparing your products. Now usually you won't need any additional preparation, as all the packaging you do yourself and you just apply by Amazon rules in terms of your packaging. But you will need to create barcodes to go onto your products if you don't already have barcodes on them. So to do that, goes up the next section. So we continue. This is label products. If you want to produce barcodes, so sticky barcodes for your products, just click on all products here. Here it shows your product, what you want to ship to the FBA center. Who labels? Really you want to label yourself because Amazon will charge you to label each individual item. And then to print your labels, really you don't need to say 450 because on an A4 sheet the maximum number of labels you can print is 27. So if you just select 27 print labels for this page, and there you go, it shows you all the labels on an A4 page. You can print off as many copies of them as you like because all the barcodes are the same. That's fine. So once you've done that, you can send them to your supplier so they can add the barcodes or the labels on each of your items, and then continue. Here is where you review your shipments. That's fine, so it shows you where the shipment will be going to. So this is the FBA center for this type of product. Number of SKUs, so 1 product, 3 cases, and number of units, which is 450, which is 150 units per case, or whatever it is in your case. You can view the shipment contents by clicking there. We'll hide shipment contents again, and that's fine. And then click Approve Shipment. So that's approved the shipment for you. And then you can click Work on Shipment in order to get your labels that need to be stuck onto the outside of your boxes that you're sending, so your shipping labels. So here you just double check everything again. Where is it shipping to? Where is it shipping from? Is it a small parcel delivery, less than a truckload? Usually it'll be a small parcel delivery, so you're shipping individual boxes, even though there are lots of items in each box. And then you select whether you want to use Amazon's partnered carrier or use your own carrier, which most often than not people use their own carrier. DHL Airways, DHL UK are the usual ones. If you're using a different carrier, you can select other, and it doesn't matter too much. You just fill it in there. And then here in the shipment packing section, you say how many, whether it's going to be in multiple boxes or everything in one box, or usually multiple boxes. You need to confirm the total number of boxes. So in this case, it's going to be 3, as it was 150 units in each box. Set the number of boxes, that's fine. And you can enter the box weight if you like, say 15 kilograms per box. You don't have to enter box dimensions. You see single cartons must not exceed 30 kilograms, which is quite a heavy box. And that's for the sake of these small parcel deliveries. If it's shipping pallets less than a truckload, it's a different story. So scroll down to the bottom. Here it says the number of boxes 3. A4 sheets will be for the shipping labels. So this is the shipping labels need to be given to your supplier so they can add them to the outside of the larger boxes, which will be containing your multiple items. Print box labels. And there you go, there's your 3 box labels. And you can just email them on to your supplier, and then they can add them to the outside. So now you've got your barcodes or your labels to add to the individual items. You've got your box labels, which are your shipping labels, which can be added to the outside of your shipping boxes, and that's all done. And once that's done, you simply click complete shipment and it's done. And once your product is being shipped, you can click mark as shipped on here, or work on another. You can go to work on another shipment. That's fine. It's as easy as that. It's even easier when you set up a new product, as in add a product. Let's say if we're adding the same product, so that one was this first product here, sell yours, and then set your price, for example, £50 new, save and finish, and it should automatically take you to the shipping plan. See, that's when you're adding a new product, and then you just follow the same routine as you did for sending or replenishing an old product. So I hope that's been useful, and please return to view more videos where we'll give you more instructions on and tips on different areas of Amazon selling. Thank you again.